Hey guys, it's time for Play-Doh surprises. Paw Patrol. And this is green Play-Doh. Inside this green Play-Doh we have a blue egg. And the toy is Rubble. Woo woo. Peppa Pig in light blue Play-Doh. The egg inside is red. This is George, Peppa's little brother, and it looks like he was eating chocolate. We also have a little keychain of Peppa, George and Peppa. Dora the Explorer. Orange Play-Doh and yellow egg. This is a little Dora. Inside out Play-Doh egg. This egg is blue, just like sadness. Red egg. This is sadness. She's so cute. My Little Pony surprise. And this is yellow Play-Doh. Green egg. This is Rarity. And another little pony. They're so cute. Sofia the first in white Play-Doh. White. This is a green egg. This is Fauna and a squirrel. We still have one more Play-Doh egg from Doc McStuffins. And this is pink Play-Doh. Orange egg. Inside we have Doc and Hallie. They're so squishy. A lot of adorable surprises. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more surprises right here on Disney Collector.